My name is Andrea Pereira from NGO Hope Foundation. Yesterday there was a memorandum circulated on social media which stated that no one could enter the collector's office without having the Arogya Setu app on their mobile phones. Looking into this, we felt that the poorer section of the society who could not afford a proper phone, a smartphone, and the elderly people who do not know how to use the phone could be denied access. This could be discriminating. So today morning, I spoke to Ms. Jennifer Montserrat, the Revenue Minister, and she assured me that she will take cognizance. We also gave a letter to Jennifer Montserrat, the Revenue Minister, and our Chief Minister, Mr. Pramod Sawant. Later, now, when Mr. Pramod Sawant addressed a press conference, he stated that the Arogya Setu app is no longer compulsory to enter the collector's office. I thank the Revenue Minister, Jennifer Montserrat, and the Chief Minister to revoke this decision of entering the collector's office without the Arogya Setu app. And we also request the required department, that is the collector and the deputy collector, to issue another memorandum stating the revocation of the Arogya Setu app to enter the collector's office.